Hello everyone, welcome back again. So student, today in this session we will do some questions which are based on our NCERT chapter number 3rd, how many squares. Okay, previous session we already discussed all the pages related to this chapter. Okay, so now we will use our knowledge to solve these questions. Okay, so let's start from the first question. In question number 1, find the area of the following figure. Okay, you have to find out the area of the following figure. Here, as you can see, 1 square is 1 unit. Okay, so now you have to find out the area. So again, just count the complete square. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 3 complete squares. This one is half and half, so consider it 1 plus half in 1 plus. Consider these two as 1 and consider these two also as 1 because they both are making one complete square. Okay, so here we have two more ones. So total is 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. So here the answer is 7 unit. Okay, just check it again. This is your 1 2 3. Okay, 4 half 4 5 6 and 7, half and half 1, so total is 7. Okay, now come to the next question. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit and 6 unit. Okay, so here the answer is 6 unit. Now just check it for third question. As you can see here, this shape is covering 1 2 3 4, 4 length and 1 2 breadth. Okay, so 4 multiplied by 2, so that is 4 2s are 8. So here the answer is 8 unit. Okay, and you can do it by, and आप इसको काउंट करके भी कर सकते हैं. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. आप इसको काउंट करके भी कर सकते हैं. So first just complete the grade, and that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So answer is 8 unit. Clear? Now just check it for question number 4. First just complete the square grid. And now count the complete squares. 1 2 3. 3 complete squares, and as you can see here, this shaded portion is a part of this one. So this is your one complete square, and this shaded portion is a part of this small shaded portion. Second complete square, and these last two shaded portions are connected to each other. So third complete square. So total is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here the answer is 6 unit. Okay, and as you can see here, they are proving one theorem also. It is your quadrilateral. Okay, and this triangle is sharing the same base and same parallel line. Okay, so now just check what is the area of this rectangle. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so answer is 12. And now what is the area of the shaded triangle? That is 6. So 12 minus 6, 6. So obviously the area of the triangle is just half of the area of the quadrilateral और रेक्टेंगल. ओके, टोटल जो एरिया आया था आपके रेक्टेंगल का वो था आपका 12 और ट्रायंगल का आया है 6. इट मीन्स द एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल इज हाफ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल. क्लियर? नाउ जस्ट चेक क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. इन द फिगर साइड ऑफ ईच स्क्वायर इज 1 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, हर स्क्वायर की हर साइड जो है वो क्या है? 1 सेंटीमीटर है. द एरिया इन स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर ऑफ द शेडेड पार्ट. सो इसमें जो शेडेड पार्ट है दिस वन, इसका एरिया कितना होगा? ओके, सो जस्ट चेक इट. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज इन द फिगर साइड ऑफ ईच स्क्वायर इज 1 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, हर स्क्वायर की साइड जो है वो 1 सेंटीमीटर की है. द एरिया इन स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर ऑफ द शेडेड पार्ट इज. तो जो शेडेड पार्ट है इसका एरिया कितना होगा? ओके, सो लेट्स जस्ट फाइंड आउट द आंसर. फर्स्ट जस्ट कंप्लीट द स्क्वायर ग्रिड. ओके, नाउ काउंट द कंप्लीट स्क्वायर्स. 1 2 3 4 5. ओके, हाफ एंड हाफ 6, हाफ एंड हाफ 7. ओके, now consider these 2 points 1, so 8 and 9. So total area is 9 and it's approximately 9, not perfect 9. Okay, now come to the next question and that is question number 3. if each square has perimeter 8 centimeter. okay, यहाँ पे जितना भी स्क्वायर्स हैं सबका जो पेरीमीटर है वो क्या है? 8 सेंटीमीटर है. देन द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग शेप. तो इन पूरी जो शेप है इसका जो पेरीमीटर होगा वो कितना होगा? ओके, सो इफ़ द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द स्क्वायर इज 8 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो व्हाट इज़ द फॉर्मूला ऑफ पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ स्क्वायर? दैट इज़ 4 इंटू साइड. ओके, सो 1 साइड इज इक्वल्स टू 8/4, 2 सेंटीमीटर. हर साइड आपकी 2 सेंटीमीटर होगी. कैसे? जस्ट चेक. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. So perimeter is 8 centimeter. So it means the side of the squares are 2 centimeter. Okay, सारे squares की जो sides हैं वो 2 centimeter हैं. Now you have to find out the perimeter of this shape. So now just count the number of sides. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. So it's total 18 sides and each side is 2 centimeter longer. So multiply 18 by 2. 18 2 is 36. So the perimeter is 36 centimeter. Answer is answer number 3rd. Okay. Now next is which of these figure represent the area of 24 सेंटीमीटर. इसमें से 4 शेप में से कौन सा जो है वो 24 मीटर स्क्वायर के एरिया को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? इफ़ द ईच ब्लॉक हैज़ एरिया 2 मीटर. अगर हर ब्लॉक 2 का है. ओके, सो 24 मीटर का इसमें से कौन सी शेप है? If one block is 2 meters square, so which shape has the area of 24 meters square? Just check. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 multiplied by 2, 12. No. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 multiplied by 2, 24. Yes. So the answer is 3rd. ओके, जो आपका 3rd one है दैट the 3rd one that is your answer. Okay, because total number of blocks are 12 and each block is 2 meters square. So 12 2 is 24. So total area is 24 meter square. So answer is 3rd one. Clear? Now our 5th and last question is find out the perimeter and area of the shapes given below. Here you have two shapes and you have to find out the perimeter as well as the area of the given shapes. So let's start from the first shape, and here is your shape number 1. So as you can see here, the length of this side is 6 and this one is 4. So 6 minus 4, this one is 2. So 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. So that is your 4. Okay, why? Because 4 plus 2 is complete 6. Okay, so here this side is 4. Now here this portion is 8 and this one is 5. So it means this one is 8 minus 5, 3. ये आपका portion जो होगा वो 3 होगा. This one is 4, this one is 3. Why 3? Because 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. Clear? 4 and 3. Now find out the perimeter. 6 plus 8 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6. So 6 plus 8 is equals to 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 plus 4, 23. 23 plus 5, and that is your 28. So the perimeter is 28. Clear? Now just check the area of this shape. So just divide it into two portions. Clear? It is your 4 and that is 3. So now it's 8 and 2. So area of this portion is 8 2s are 16. So it's 16, and here is 5 and 4. So 5 4s are 20. So the total area is 20 plus 16, that is 36. So area of this shape is 36 and the perimeter is 28. Clear? Now just come to the next question, question number 2. Okay, so again this side is 4 and this one is 1. So it means it's 3. Clear? Because the complete length is 4 na. So if this one is 1, so it's 3. Now the complete length from this side is 6 and this one is 1. So here it is 5. Clear? Now what is the perimeter of this shape? 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3. Sum of all boundaries, that is your perimeter. So 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 4 that is 11, 11 plus 6 17 and 17 plus 3 that is 20. So the perimeter is 20. Okay. Now just find out the area of this shape. It is your 3 and that is your 5. Okay. So area of this shaded portion is 4 into 1, length into breadth, and that is 4 ones are 4, 4. And the area of the second portion is 5 into 3 because it's a complete rectangle. Okay, so 5 3s are 15. So total area is 15 plus 4, 19. Clear? So area of this shape is 19. I hope you all are able to understand all these questions. If you have any confusion in these questions, so just comment with the comment section. Okay, and I will provide you the solutions, and you have to do these questions in your notebook. Thank you so much. Have a good day.